Hello everyone. In this video, let me see about Z-transform concept and ROC introduction. Okay, let me see one by one. The Z-transform is an important role to analyze the discrete signal. Okay, next, it can be used to convert the time domain to frequency domain in the discrete space. Okay, next, see the Z-transform formula. Z-transform formula, see the timeline. Okay, refer this timeline. Okay. This is for 0 here, this is for 0, okay, this is for infinity, this is for minus infinity, okay. So, in general, Z-transform formula x of the written as Z of x of n equal to Z represent for Z-transform, okay, x of capital X of Z equal to summation minus infinity to infinity small x of n into Z power minus n, okay. Here, the limit range to be minus infinity to plus infinity. So, it is known as two-sided sequence because they having negative part as well as the positive part, right. So, minus infinity to infinity. So it is a bilateral and bidirectional transform, okay. Bi means two. They having negative side as well as the positive side. Next, see here. Z of x of n, that is nothing x of z, okay. Here see the changes, here minus infinity to plus infinity. The limit to be break into only for positive side, 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity means only for positive side, right. So x of n into z power minus n. Only for positive side, no, so it is known as unilateral and one directional transform and also single sided sequence. This is for double-sided sequence or two-sided sequence because they are having minus infinity to plus infinity. This is for 0 to infinity, only for positive side. So here x of n is constant sequence, x of n equal to 0 for n less than 0. Okay, n less than 0 means, see the limit, 0 to infinity means only for positive range, no. So for the negative range, the value to be 0. Okay, this is a concept. 0 to infinity only for positive side, for the negative side the value to be 0. Okay. Next, the same formula, the limit only change. See here, Z of x of n equal to x of z equal to, see the limit minus infinity to minus 1. Already I told that this is the timeline, right? This is for 0, this is for infinity, this is for minus infinity. For this range, only for positive side. Here minus infinity to minus 0. So minus infinity to minus 1. So in this side, this is for negative side. No. So this also unilateral and one directional transform, and this is also known as single sided sequence. See here, this is for non-constant sequence. Y means here x of n equal to 0 for n greater than or equal to 0. The limit range to be minus infinity to minus 1 only, they having value. For the positive side, the value to be 0, right? So x of n equal to 0 when n greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means only for positive side. So here positive side the value to be 0. For here this is for negative side, the value to be 0. Okay. Next, region of convergence, ROC. Okay. It's very important concept in the Z transform. See the diagrams, simple plot. This is for unit circle, the surrounding area to be Z plane. The unit circle is the ROC plane. For the x-axis, this is for real part. For the y-axis, this is for imaginary part. See the definition. The ROC of x of z consists of a ring. This is a ring, right? So this is a unit ring in the Z plane centered about the origin. This is for origin. Okay, let's define the region where the Z transform exists because as per the definition, see, this is the definition of Z transform. No, as per the definition, the Z transform to be infinite. Y means, here see the limit minus infinity to plus infinity. This is an infinite transform, right? So, in the infinite transform to be counted to be, that's controlled to be the limited range. Okay, they define the region, this region where the Z transform exists. Okay, next. From the definition, already I told no, from the definition of Z transform, it is clear that Z transform is an infinite power series as per the definition, right? Infinite power series. This series is not convergent for all the values of Z because this is a infinite. Okay. So, because of the help of ROC, it is used for mentioning the Z transform. So, ROC can be, this is for infinite range. Okay, you have to converge, you have to find the region with the help of the ROC. That is the use of ROC. Next, see the ROC plot one by one. Okay, first one, the same diagram, real part for the x-axis, imaginary part for the y-axis. This is a unit circle, or for the radius, surrounding area to be Z plane and inner part to be ROC plane. If x of n is a right-sided sequence means, see the modulus Z, see the diagram, how to shade the area means, only see the based on the Z transform. Okay, see the condition, modulus of Z greater than R0. That means Z plane to be greater than R0. This is the R0 range, no? So apart, outside. This is the outside range because modulus of Z greater than. So greater means outer area, outer the unit circle. This is a Z plane, outer area. Okay. Okay. Next, same diagram only, but the shaded part only vary. Here, see here, if x of n is a left-sided sequence, left-sided means in the timeline, in the negative side, no. So, in the left-sided sequence means modulus of Z less than R0. Refer modulus of Z less than means the shaded part to be inner side. Okay, if greater than means outer side. See the condition, modulus of Z greater, so outer side area shaded. Okay, here modulus of Z less than, so less than means inner side. Okay, next another one diagram. See here, if x of n is a two-sided sequence, this is for right side, single side. This is for left side, only for left side. Okay, right side means greater than, left side means less than. In case two-sided means modulus of Z equal to R0. R0 means they having in between both. This is a unit circle, this is a surrounding ring. The shaded part to be in, that is 2, in between the 2 ring. Okay, because both are same because of the two-sided sequence. Right. Next, see the properties of Z transform. Let me see one by one. ROC does not contain any poles. We know they having poles and zeros, right? But in the ROC does not contains any poles. In case poles available means, present means, that means x of Z is infinite and does not converge. Okay, x of Z to be infinite range. It will be go to the infinite range. So ROC does not at any condition ROC does not contains any poles. Okay, keep it remember. Okay, next point, ROC consists of ring in the Z plane centered about origin. Already we know, right? ROC consists of ring. It's a ring, no? Round ring. That's a unit circle in the Z plane centered about the origin. Next, ROC of an LTI system, linear time invariant system, stable system, contains unit circle. Already know this is for unit circle, right? Next, ROC must be a connected region because the circle to be connected one. Okay, that's why connected region. Next, see the variation, finite duration. In case of finite duration sequence means, see the three subdivision. X of n is causal and x of n is non-causal and x of n is two-sided sequence. In case of causal means ROC is entire Z plane except at Z equal to 0. For causal system, Z equal to 0 except Z equal to 0. For non-causal system, ROC is to be Z equal to infinity. In case of two-sided sequence means they having Z equal to 0 and Z equal to infinity. Okay, keep it in your mind. If causal means Z equal to 0, non-causal means Z equal to infinity, two-sided means they having both Z equal to 0 as well as Z equal to infinity. This is for finite duration sequence. See here next one, infinite duration sequence. In case of infinite duration sequence means x of n to be causal when modulus of Z greater than R2. Okay, for infinite durations. For Z transform usually infinite sequence, right? Because of the definition, based on the definition, right? So, for infinite duration sequence means modulus of Z greater than R2. Okay, R2 means second ring. That's for nothing, second ring. In case of non-causal means ROC is for convergence for modulus of Z less than R1. This is for one circle, the first circle, right? Less than. Causal means greater than, and the non-quotient means less than. In case of two-sided means the range to be, Z transform range to be in between the circle. Modulus of R1 less than Z less than R2. Okay. Refer the diagram. Infinite sequence means here. See here, this is a greater one. No, modulus of Z greater than R naught. So outer area. Here modulus of Z less than R naught. Here R naught means R2, R1 both are same. Alright, inner side. In case of two-sided means they having both R1 and R2. So the inner circle R1, outer circle R2. So in between the range. This is for the infinite duration sequence. Okay. Next, see about the EC transform formula. This will be used for the problem section. Okay. See here, del of n, that's nothing, impulse function. Impulse function means we know this is for 1 for all Z plane. In case of u of n, this is for unit function. Unit function means the formula for the Z transform is 1 by 1 minus Z inverse. So unit function no. So modulus of Z greater than 1. In case there is in the nearest one a power n additional a power n u of n means the same formula, but the limit, that's the ROC only vary. Modulus of Z greater than modulus of R. Okay. In case same formula, same format, the range to be vary. So here minus no. So minus means here the negative side. So same formula only for Z transform, but ROC only change. Modulus of Z less than modulus of Z, modulus of A, because this is a negative side. Okay, left sided. Next, n into u of n. N into u of n in the formula Z power minus 1 divided by 1 minus Z power minus 1 the whole square. So this is for unit function no. So ROC must be less, that's in the ROC region modulus of Z greater than 1. 1 represents for unit function. In case of additional a power n present means a only additionally added. So a into Z power minus 1, for this formula a, here also a. So 1 can be replaced by modulus a. Just to compare the formula and write. Okay. In case of negative means, already I told that negative means negative side no. So ROC the limit to be changed. The formula same formula only. Next, a power n into x of n formula, x of a power a inverse into Z, modulus of Z greater than a. In case a means the ROC also in present of a, right? N into a power n x of n means a into Z power minus 1 divided by 1 minus a into Z power minus 1 the whole square. Here a is available no, so here also ROC having a. And see the formula cos n theta into u of n. Cos, in case of cos term means this is a formula. This is a formula derived from one shortest method. I will explain. Later on I will explain. Okay. 1 minus Z power minus 1 cos theta divided by 1 minus 2 into Z power minus 1 cos theta plus Z power minus 2. Here there is no a term, so modulus of Z greater than 1. The same formula only, additionally a power n added no, so multiplied here. So a only additionally multiplied. Here also a, here also a. So a available means automatically ROC also reflected in the term of a. See here, sin theta and u of n, same formula, refer the formula, here 1 minus the term, but here Z power inverse in terms of cos, here sin theta, and denominator term everything same. Okay, but here there is no a, so refer this one. Okay, modulus of Z greater than 1. Similarly, here additionally a power n multiplied no. So in case a power n available means automatically it will reflect back to the ROC. So modulus of Z greater than a. It's greater than and less than based on the range. Okay, left side means that means negative side means minus, less than, positive side means greater than. That's all about EC transform and ROC concept. For the next video, see about EC transform problem.